Hello everyone, welcome to MES's e-learning channel. In this video we will be learning about zeros and poles of a transfer function. Basically we will learn how to identify the number of poles and zeros that are present by looking at the transfer function, which is very important when we solve different types of numericals in the subject. So let's go ahead and see how we can do that. So here I have written down a transfer function. So here in the numerator we have s plus 2. So let us write it down. Numerator has s plus 2 and in the denominator we have s plus 4 and s plus 3. So basically what we have to do is we have to equate both of these equations to 0, right. So numerator is s plus 2 equal to 0. And then finally, we will have to see what is the value of s. So, s is going to be minus 2 in case of numerator, and in case of denominator we have two s terms. So, we will have s is equal to minus 4 and s is equal to minus 3. So, here the numerator will give us, or it will indicate the number of zeros present, and the denominator will indicate the number of poles that are present. And how do we identify which 0 and which pole is present? By equating it to 0, we got that this particular zero's value is minus 2, and here we identified that there are two poles, and what are the values? S is equal to minus 4 and minus 3. So, it is very simple. You simply have to look at the numerator to identify zeros, and you have to look at the denominator to identify poles. Now, here it was straightforward given to us, but sometimes the equation can be as follows. Transfer function is equal to s plus 2 upon s square plus 7s plus 12. So, here we will have to simplify and we will be easily able to identify the zeros and poles. How do we do it? So, here simply we have s plus 2 terms. So, we can say that s plus 2 is equal to 0 just like before, and we can say that there is one 0. And what is the value of that 0? S is equal to minus 2. But in case of the denominator, we will have to simplify it. So, this goes to be s square plus 7s plus 12 is equal to 0. And how do we do it? Now, here this particular number that we have in the middle with s in it, we have to break it down in such a way that when you add it, you get 7, and when you multiply, you get 12. So, there are various ways in which you can break down 7. You can have 3 and 4, you can have 2 and 5 and so on, but then after adding you should get 7 back, and after multiplying those two same numbers you should get 12 back. So, in this case, if we break down 7 in 4 and 3, if we add these two numbers it is going to be 7, and if we multiply these two it is going to be 12, which is this number. So, here we will write s plus 4 and s plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, this has been simplified. You can easily identify the poles and you can easily get the values as well. So, s is equal to minus 4 and s is equal to minus 3. You can do it for any equation that you get and easily identify the poles and zeros present in a transfer function. Thanks for watching.